What's up, everybody? Blue Hair Dave here, and I want to talk to you about a couple things and a couple updates. First, you're going to say, why are you wearing these glasses? Well, maybe it's because I've been crying for the last 2 days at this crypto winter, or maybe I've been crying and drinking for the last 2 days because of this, or maybe I just woke up and my eyes look sleepy, or I don't know. I think it's all the above, or I'm getting old. Anyway, so here's what I want to talk about is Coinbase, and this is a big deal. Because they're talking about if they have to declare bankruptcy, your money is not safe. So I want to go into a little bit of detail about that and also track back and say, see, I should give you a warning when I buy something because usually the price, it goes down after I buy it. So just do the opposite of what I do. However, I will say that it's pretty held steady right now. And I think that the crypto winter terms are not good for anybody. But these bits are substantial, and a lot of coins that were once stable coins have dropped a lot. So y'all need to be careful out there. I also want to give you an update on, I think I'm going to start doing some live streams again. So comment below if you'd like to join me in a live stream, and make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to keep them pretty fun. We're going to talk a little bit about money and finance, but I'll probably get into the goofy stuff so we can have some fun while we're losing money. And so basically, let's take a look at Coinbase. So what the news is that the Coinbase CFO says bankruptcy note was about regulation, not solvency. And what they said was that, hey, if we have to declare bankruptcy, our users' money is not safe because they don't have it. Just like, you know how a bank, they're only required to keep anywhere, I think 10 to 20% of money on hand. So they loan out the other 90%, and they don't actually have it. So they only have to keep a certain number of reserves on board. And so that's kind of what's happening here. And if they go bankrupt, your money's all gone. There's no protection from the federal government. It's not like 200,000 is protected by the FDIC. So what would I do if I had a bunch of money in Coinbase? I gotta say I'd be a bit worried about it. Okay, so that is a problem. Now I don't know exactly what they can do with the coins that you own, depending on how you have them. And I would try and keep everything on person. Is what I would try and do. That is my personal belief. So I'd be very wary about Coinbase right now. They're not a sponsor. Nobody's a sponsor. Nobody pays me for this, of course, because nobody's watching except for you, 1,000 listeners yesterday. Thank you. So I'm going to say be careful with Coinbase and really any place that you don't own the keys to your own cryptocurrency. If you have cash reserves in there, I would not keep those in there at all because that's the first thing it's going to go. So I would put a cash in as you're going to buy, and just be careful about that. So look out, comment if you want to do, if you want to see some live streams. We could talk about anything, crazy stuff. Usually we talk about aliens and other fun stuff. And we could talk about popular events, whatever. We'll stay away from politics because we don't need that along with all this bad news right now. Recession fears, markets. Yeah, it's a mess right now. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Comment below if you want to see some live streams, and maybe we'll get those rolling back up again. Miss you guys. Take care.